Let's open our Nuts for Alpha Notes book to page 21, the song Winter Winds. Let's use our right hand to point to all the notes we play with our RH. Let's use our left hand to point to all the notes we play with our LH. Remember, the stems that point up are right hand. The stems that point down are left hand. We also know notes written on the top two lines are right hand, and notes written on the bottom two lines are left hand. We'll start with our right hand. Then we switch to our left hand. Next is our right hand, left hand, right hand, and we finish with our left hand. This time, I will point to the notes while we say the counts. Remember to count 1 for a quarter note and 1, 2 for a half note. I'll point, you say the counts with me. Ready, set, here we count. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. This time, instead of pointing with the pointer, we are going to point with our right hand fingers and our left hand fingers. We'll use the finger that plays the note. That means we'll start with our RH finger 1 for middle C. Let's tap and say the note names now. C, D, E, E. D, D, C. Switch to your left hand. We need finger 3. A, B, B, C, C. Back to our right hand. C, D, E, E. D, D, C. Finger 3. A, B, B, C, C. D, E, D, E, D, E, D. 3 again. A, B, B, C, B, C. If you want to practice that again, you could try it yourself. You can go as slow as you want, and then you can go back and do it with me as many times as you need to. Now let's go to the piano. For this song, we need to put our hands in middle C position. That means our right hand, finger 1, will go on middle C, the C closest to our belly button, and all of our other fingers will go on their own white key. C, D, E, F, G. Our left hand, finger 1, will also share the middle C key with our right hand finger 1. Both thumbs go together on middle C, and the rest of our fingers get a white key. Let's play slowly while we sing our note names. Remember, our right hand, finger 1, starts on middle C. Ready, set, here we play. C, D, E, E, D, D, C. Left hand, A, B, B, C, 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 D, E, E, D, D, C, A, B, B, C, C, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, A, B, B, C, B, C. Remember to practice that as many times as you need to. Now let's get ready to play the duet together. Make sure your hands are still in middle C position with both thumbs on the middle C key. You play Winter Winds, the song we just played together. But this time, I'm going to play the teacher part while you play Winter Winds. Ready, set, here you go.